साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। ध्यानमूलं गुरुर्मूर्ति पूजामूलं गुरुर्पदं मन्त्रमूलं गुरुर्वाक्यं मोक्षमूलं गुरुकृपा। अखण्डमण्डलाकारं व्याप्तमेन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितमेन तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। ओम भूर्भुवस्सुर्भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम सं नो मित्रस्सं सं नो वरुणः सं नो भवत्परिमा सं इन्द्रो बृहस्पतिः सं नो विष्णुरुक्रमः। नमो ब्रह्मणे नमस्ते वाय। त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्मासि त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्म वदिष्यामि ऋतं वदिष्यामि सत्यं वदिष्यामि ऋतं वदिष्यामि। तन्मावतु तद्वक्तारमवतु अवतु माम् अवतु वक्तारम्। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम गुरुभ्यो नमः। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो नारायणाय। ओम नमो नारायणाय। ओम गुरुभ्यो नमः। ओम नमो भगवते शिवानंदाय। ओम नमो भगवते सत्यानंदाय। ओम नमो नारायणाय। ओम नमो नारायणाय। ओम नमो नारायणाय। ओम नमो नारायणाय। भजमन नारायण 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 लक्ष्मी नारायण 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 लक्ष्मी नारायण 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 गुरु नारायण 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 श्रीमद् नारायण 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 श्रीमद् नारायण 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 गुरु नारायण 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 गुरु नारायण 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 शिव नारायण 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 शक्ति नारायण 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 शिव नारायण 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 ब्रह्म नारायण 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 ब्रह्म नारायण 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 लक्ष्मी नारायण 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 लक्ष्मी नारायण 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 लक्ष्मी नारायण 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 गुरु नारायण 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 गुरु नारायण नारायण नारायण। हरि ओम तत्सत्। हरि ओम। Kindly close your eyes and get ready for the practice of meditation. Alissanse para practicar a meditação. Mantenha o cerrado. Feel the state of harmony. Feel the state of tranquility. Feel the state of calmness. Ask yourself, who am I? This is Vedantic meditation. Who am I? Am I the body? Am I the mind? Am I the senses? Am I the intellect? Am I the emotion? Am I the ego? Then who am I? What is my real nature? Where are you coming? Where are you going? What is my real nature? Now forget all the question and become aware of the natural, normal breathing process. Olvídense todas sus preguntas y tomen conciencia de la respiración natural y normal. Piense inhalando, exhalando. I am breathing in, I am breathing out. The constant, unbroken, unchanging flow of the natural breathing process. Inhale peace, inhale joy, inhale happiness, inhale courage, inhale willpower. As you exhale, releasing all your worries, preoccupation, anxiety, negative thought. Now remain calm and quiet 5 minutes Do your personal mantra with the breath. Repeat the mantra with the breath, your personal mantra, or you can repeat the mantra Soham in between navel and throat. Breathe in navel to throat, so, exhale hum. I repeat your personal mantra with the breath in between navel and throat. Breathe in navel throat, so, breathe out hum. सोहम सोहम जाप करो, सद्गुरुदेव का ध्यान करो. सोहम ब्रह्मा सोहम विष्णु, सोहम विष्णु सोहम ब्रह्मा, सोहम आत्मा शिव परमात्मा. सोहम सोहम जाप करो, सद्गुरुदेव का ध्यान करो. सोहम आत्मा शिव परमात्मा, सोहम सोहम जाप करो. Inhale so, exhale hum. Go within yourself. Meditation open the door of joy, door of peace, door of bliss. It is a super highway. Meditation is a highway to experience your real nature. Your nature is Sat Chit Anand. Satya, Chit and consciousness. Satya, the truth in all the time. Chit, high consciousness. Anand, the bliss. That is your nature. Listen inside within you. I am that. I am Brahman. I am the divine being. Lord is within me. I feel cheerful, I am blissful, joyful. हरि नाम सुमर सुख धाम जगत में जीवन दो दिन का. हरि नाम सुमर सुख धाम जगत में जीवन दो दिन का. पाप कपट कर माया जोड़ी गर्भ किया धन का. सभी छोड़ कर चला मुसाफिर वासुवे बन का. जगत में जीवन दो दिन का. हरि नाम सुमर सुख धाम जगत में जीवन दो दिन का. सुंदर काया देख लुभाया लाड करे तन का. सुंदर काया देख लुभाया लाड करे तन का. सूढ़ी श्वास बिखर गई दे जो माला मन का. जगत में जीवन दो दिन का. हरि नाम सुमर सुख धाम जगत में जीवन दो दिन का. यो नारी लगे प्यारी मोज करे तन का. कालवली का लगे तमाचा भूल जाए ठन का. जगत में जीवन दो दिन का. सुंदर काया देख लुभाया, सुंदर काया देख लुभाया लाड़ करे तन का. काली बलाई का लगे चमाचा भूल जाए तन का. जगत में जीवन का. यह संसार सपन की माया मेला पर छिन का. ब्रह्मानंद वयन कर वंदे अलख निरंजन का. जगत में जीवन दो दिन का. Feel, experience bliss within, joy within. Om Sam No Mitra Sam No Varuna Sam No Bhavatvanima Sam Nendro Brahaspati Sam No Vishnu Rukramaha Namo Brahmane Namaste Vaya Tumeva Pratyaksham Brahmasi Tumeva Pratyaksham Brahma Vadishami Kritam Vadishami Satyam Vadishami Tanma Bhavatu Tadvaktaram Bhavatu Bhavatu Mam Bhavatu Vaktaram Om Shanti. Hari Om Tat Sat, Hari Om Tat Sopanadai, Hari Om. I am very happy looking all of your wonderful smiling face, joyful face. God sent us this planet. We are here, the permission of the God. God, and He take care of everything. You don't have to worry. God is all pervading. He's everywhere. In the plant, the tree, the creature, human, animal being, and human being, everywhere. Without divine existence, nothing exists. Now ask yourself, what is my real purpose to come in this planet? What I am doing? What is my nature? What I am doing? What is my nature? What I am supposed to do? Life is very short. You don't know tomorrow what will happen. You don't know tomorrow what will happen. Live right now. Enjoy each and every moment of your life, peaceful, joyful, happy, contentment. But you know, we live for yesterday, what happened, and we think about tomorrow. We don't live in present moment. Now the present moment, what you want? You need peace. You will love, joy, happiness, contentment. You want everything good. But your mind is go toward too much back yesterday and go to the future tomorrow. My dear friend, live right now. Peace is not coming from outside. Peace always there. Peace called Shanti. Sukh and Dukh. Sukh, the pleasure, Dukh means pain. When there is too much pleasure, the pain is waiting for you. Now we have day, night is waiting. We born, the date is waiting. Always two. The money has the two faces, and one face you see one at a time. This life is gifted. We are all passengers sitting in the train going to the destination. When you sit in the plane, you buy the ticket and sit in the plane. You go destination, maybe from Miami to go New York or New York, California. You sit there a couple of hours, and when your destination comes, you have to leave the place, leave the plane, and go walking. This is the thing happened. We are sitting in the worldly plane. One day we have to give up, whether or not. So, why we are attached with this seat couple of hours, you're sitting in the plane? Only you buy the ticket, you play the ticket, and the destination come, you go. This happened. This worldly life, we are just waiting couple of hours, couple of years. Before people used to stay Dwapar Yuga, Satyug, Treta Yuga. Now we Kali Yuga, there are 4 kind of age. 4. In the Dwapar Yuga, when the Rama born, Krishna born, people used to hundreds of years, people living, thousands of years. Now age limited. 100 year maximum, luckily you live healthy. People go 70, 80, and now 75. People live at different ages. The life depends upon how much breathe, how much take your prana every day. Each minute you take 12 breath each minute. And that prana allow you to live balanced life. Less breathe, less prana you take, then imbalance your personality. Life is breath, breath is life. But human nature, very strange nature. He collected all garbage in the mind. Sorry, I use the word garbage. Worries, preoccupation, anxiety, depression, unhappiness, sadness. From yesterday, what happened? You worry. What others say to you? Other persons say, he cannot please you. If good words say good thing, you become happy. But most of the bad thing you collect in the mind. Yesterday, what happened? What happened yesterday? It happens already. Live right now. Worries, preoccupation, unhappiness, sadness of yesterday. Man caught up with that negativity and constantly thinking what will happen tomorrow. What will happen will happen. My dear friend, change the quality of mind. Change the quality of thinking. If your mind is calm, mind is peaceful, mind is joyful, mind is contentment, present moment, your life is wonderful. Have a faith and divine. When 9 months, your mother is pregnant, who take care, who give the food, the 9 months, who create that beautiful being, eyes, nose, ear, hand, 9 months, who take care. Have you think? Even the mother, she is pregnant. She don't know who is growing within us. But divine take care 9 months. And the complete manifest that divine within the womb of mother, the cosmic gate open, and the first, when you come, you first cry. And you say, I have a problem now, my problem start. You cry. I was 9 months protected with my mother, a problem start. And that problem continue. My dear friend, have a faith on the God, with the faith of divine, faith the Guru. Live a life harmonious. Can fish live without water? When there is a fish, there is water. You live in this world, whole water around you, water of joy, water of peace, water of happiness. Imagine you are a little fish. Think you are a fish and you are in the water. So that's why the human being is a gifted being in this planet. Look about all the birds. Birds, they don't have house, they don't have security, they don't have food, but they fly and fly, keep up. They have the family. All the animal, they procreated. They don't have any security. Human being, everything God has given, still he is unhappy. Unhappy now because you are attached every moment, and the attachment, asakti, attachment, jasakti means going, attachment and detachment. You don't attach. Can you mix the water with the oil? Can you mix water with the oil? Live this life detached way. Detached way. Nothing belongs to you. Everything belongs to you. Attached with the God. Detached with the worldly life. You can everything. So, the spiritual life, your all yoga teacher, practitioner, teacher, change the quality of your life, quality of thinking, quality of eating, quality of talking. You are responsible for each and every action you perform. What you eat, what you hear, what you look. Mahatma Gandhi has the 3 not to look bad, not to hear bad, and not to talk bad. 3 monkey. God has given to mouth to talk wonderful thing, eat wonderful thing, mind to think properly. The mind is a wonderful product the component we have. We have this body. That's why we practice yoga. This body is a car. The mind is a driver. Your soul is the passenger. You cannot see the passenger. Only you see your front and the side mirror and go to destination. Your destination to reach to Anubhuti, Moksha, Nirvana. There was a great saint, Bhagwan Raman Maharshi, yogi of South India. He's a Jnana yogi. Raman Maharshi, sorry, I have to drink agua, water, pani. Sorry. Raman Maharshi, Arunachal, south of India. He has when he was 8 years old, he had a dream. Raman Maharshi, a little boy, 8 years old, he had a dream. And that dream, he saw he died. You know what? He died. And according to the Indian tradition, they do cremation and put his water in Godavari river. He wake up and he asked his mother and father, last night I died and you make my cremation and put my water to the river Godavari. He asked mother, father, friend, no one give answer. Now who am I? The person who died and who died? They said, you are just little boy, don't worry about things, not to think. But subconscious mind, he has that. He left his home and he went to Arunachala. Arunachal mountain in south of India, and he started meditating without eating, without doing anything, asking, oh God, who am I? Who am I? Again, after 8 years, his mother, father bringing back, he's going to die because he's not eating, only eating. Then he stayed 12 years and he again run away from the home. He never come back. And he realized, I am Aham Brahmasmi. In whole life he never talked. Raman Maharshi, the great Jnana yogi. Read his life. Go to the Google, Bhagwan Raman Maharshi, and you understand. He the ashram, a disciple, he never talked, silent, lived. So, what we learn, too much talking, unnecessary, we spend energy, but we never have time to understand who is living within me. Great saint, I always example Bhagwan Buddha, Ramakrishna Paramita, Shivananda, great yogis. They realize the yogi, the Swami, the sannyasi, they dedicate 100% life to experiences. They transmit that knowledge and wisdom to all of us. Life is a divine blessing, my dear friend. You don't have to be a Raman Maharshi. You don't have to be a Buddha. You don't have Krishna, Rama. Be who you are. Find your destination and realize Anubhuti, Atmati. I always talked last time, Sankaracharya. Shri Harim Paramanandam Upadeshtarameshwaram Vyapakam Sarvalokanam Karanam Tam Namamayam Upadeshtanubhutirvai Prochate Moksha Siddhaye. Moksha, the liberation. Liberate everything. When you sleep in the night, you forget everything, you have a dream. The one disciple went to Guruji, Guruji, are you your realized soul? You see the God? Yes, I see the God. I see every day. Then disciples say, Guruji, can you show me the God? Yes, I can show the God. Last night, you have a dream. Yes, Guruji, I have a dream. Can you show me your dream? He said, Guruji, I cannot see my dream to you. I cannot show my dream. I can see. The same as to see the God. Are you all blissful? I can. You cannot see the dream. I cannot show the God. Only experience it. Showing the naked eye. External world. But go within yourself and experience oneness with. The river emerge in the water. River in the ocean become a part of ocean. Immerse your I-ness minus your ego. Your property is ego, anger, worry, preoccupation, frustration, depression. More concentrate. Suppose your life is 80 years old. Suppose life 80. Means I am 75, I am only 5 years left, I don't know. So, every day how much time you sleep? 8 hours you sleep. Daytime 8 hours you work, 12 hour work. So calculate whole life how much year you are sleeping. Then how much time you take for do all worldly thing. How much time left for think about divine. We have a little time for the God realization to what? Understand yourself. Man is unhappy not because he don't have a thing. Exactly what you need, God has given you food to you. You give prana. This body is composed of 5 prana. The 5 prana and the 5 element. Prana, apana, vyana, samana, udyana. 5 prana this body. And we have given God necessary thing to live the life. Listen. The breath, the prana is free. Water is free. Air is free. Necessary thing God has given you there. But we don't take sufficient time to analyze the divine presence within you. Take little time every day. Contemplate the path, vairagya, detachment and attachment to the Lord. We attach worldly life, we need the thing, material thing. You have desire, I want. You can conquer any world. You can be the president, prime minister, you can be the king of king. But material thing, they will not help you to bring total peace. Material thing only bring unhappiness, sadness. But Shanti is within you, peace is within you. Dedicate your time for the peace. Meditation not only sitting, couple of hours doing mantra. Constant work become worship, and that every moment constantly think about divine, you can make a harmonious life. One person come and Swamiji, how you spend your time? You don't have any classes now. No one coming to you. It will be many years, maybe 1.5 years, 2 years, and how you spend the time? I said, my time thinking about the God and the Guru. I don't have no one. I don't think bad to no one. Contemplate the bliss within, joy within. And I think one day I was laughing myself. I said, I hope this corona continue whole life. Sorry, I should not do this one. Sorry, this is joke. That corona help you to contemplate, meditate. Corona, crown chakra, this psychic center, crown chakra, Sahasrara chakra, 1000 petal, Vishnu, Bindu, third eye, Agya chakra, Vishuddhi chakra, Anhat chakra, Manipur, Swadhisthana, and Muladhara. This is all the psychic, subtle body where the psychic center, and that manage your whole system. Chakra philosophy, Kundalini yoga, Kriya yoga. It's highest yoga. I have not initiated very few people out in Kundalini Kriya yoga. But Kundalini can awaken only Bhakti yoga. Jago, jago ma kula Kundalini. Jago, jago ma kula Kundalini. Kundalini, divine Shakti, can awaken to the Bhakti yoga, to Karma yoga, Jnana yoga and Raj yoga, the four principal yoga. It's called integral yoga. Karma, Bhakti, Raj and Jnana. But Bhakti yoga, highest form of yoga. Bhakti means pure love. Every person coming on path, you see God within that person. Doesn't matter your mother, your father, your brother, your enemy, see the divine within. Then all your problem will disappear. Bhakti, yukti, mukti. Bhakti, mukti, yukti, liberation. Bhakti, the form of yoga. That highest form of yoga, to realize your nature and awaken the Kundalini Shakti, dormant hidden power. We spend morning too much energy for necessary. Energy you spend thinking, you spend the energy. Worrying, you say energy. Unnecessary talking, thinking past and the future. So awaken the energy. That's why we teach mudra and bandha. The mudra, one mudra called Naumukhi mudra, plugging the eyes, ear, nose and holding breath. This is called Naumukhi mudra, 9 globe. When you clear the 9 globe, open 10 globe. Naumukhi mudra. Sambhavi mudra, looking the eye. The mudras help you to detach external things. Bandha, the 3 kind of bandha, you have to learn properly. Mul bandha, Udyan bandha, 3 kind of Mul bandha, Mahabandha. These are the techniques you learn from the teacher, from the guru, and practice. With that help awaken Kundalini Shakti, the divine cosmic energy. If the energy there, not any other thing can make you. Material thing, you're thinking too much and spending the energy. Someone say I love you, someone say I hate you. Who cares? They say I love you, I hate you. You are the you. Someone say you're a donkey, you're a monkey. You not become 4 legs, you can never have tail. Don't influence what the other person say to you. Be firm just like a tree in the forest. Just like a rock in the river. Firm personality, calm personality, relaxed personality, and joyful, always smiling. In the worst moment you smile. When things go on, you become happy. When become worst thing happen, also you maintain. That is the practice, you practice yoga. Not to influence good and bad, hot and cold, different, to maintain harmonious personality, then awakening takes place. Awakening takes place. Jago, jago ma kula Kundalini. Kundalini awaken every man. Muladhari, go to the Sahasrar, 1,000 petals. We have 2 eyes only, the 2 eyes to see the external world. When you dream, you see the dream due to that inner eye. We have inner eye purification called Agya Chakra, command center. And that command center Guru sent the message to you while meditating, Agya Chakra. Awaken 3rd eye of intuition, 3rd eye of knowledge, divine knowledge. We are too much observe your energy, external world, and we are not contemplating the cosmic energy within us. My dear friend, think little bit, take your time, spiritual life. Don't find with your negative thing, past or present. It will happen, God has every plan. The moment you born, you decided the time of death is there, but you don't know. The birth and death, they born together. I'm not selling this like my word. The divine Vedas say, the great Rishi says, birth is necessary and death is necessary. What will happen? They will not die. No one will die. But why we fear of death? Death will come. Because you're born. But while you're living, that is called life. And this life, utilize good way, everyone. Love your enemy. It's difficult to understand. Sorry. So take your time for your sadhana, the spiritual practices. Do little asana, pranayama, mudra, bandha, meditation, mantra. Get up early in the morning, Brahma Muhurta 4 to 6. Do your practices regularly. Eat proper food properly. Vegetarian food, it helps you to maintain your body perfectly. The whole world become vegetarian, there is no hospital to go. Then no. If people take, one day my Guruji is joking one thing, one who eat the vegetarian food, her stomach become garden. And one who take non-veg, her stomach become cemetery. It's up to you. You want your stomach become cemetery or your stomach be garden. Eat the proper food. Food for the body, food for the mind, and food for the soul. Meditation, food for the soul, understand. Soul is called Jivatma. And Paramatma, divine Lord, all pervading. Journey is a wonderful thing can happen. Human life is precious life. Don't spend too much material external thing. Spend time abstract divine God. That's why I remember all the saints and sages. Rama is not there physically. Krishna is not there physically. Buddha is not there. Jesus is not there. But still we chant his name. Name, there is form, and form there is Shakti. I got a wonderful master, Satyananda, and I am very blessed. More than 60 years I have contact with my Guru Satyananda. If you have Guru, if you have spiritual master, have a faith on his word and continue practicing, change the quality of life, and peace will knock your door. It's like Jesus to stay, come to my home. I'll be there waiting for you. Knock my door. Knock the door of the God. Silence every day, make a silence. 1 hour silence every day. 1 day silence and once a week. Silence is the language of God. When you sleep, what happens? You are in silence. When you sleep, sleep is a state. That state allow to rest yourself in peaceful. But still the dream come and you don't feel properly. So analyze whole structure of life. Paint a picture of life. Make your destination of the life. Why one want to become a Swami or Sannyasi? The life of Sannyasi to help other people, to guide, inspire. My Guru inspired thousands of people, millions of people. He gave mission to guide other people around me. Guide in the good way. Don't be obstacle to no one. Your action, your word, your thought cannot be just a peace of mind to no one. Even the person don't like you, don't disturb the peace of mind. Live your life. Let me alone. Let me alone. Live a life. A car without a brake, what will happen, my dear friend? You sit in the car, there is no brake, what will happen? You're bound to accident. Your life with the brake. You drive the car, you must have red light, stop. Green light, you go. Let your life should be green light. Open the gate of joy. Green means peace. Red means stop. So life has a blessing. Analyze. Every day you are about life. from what is my weakness, what is my strength, what is my need, what expectation. The word called swan. Swan, weakness, strength, need and expectation. Analogy of personality. What is my weakness, my personality? What is my goodness, my personality? What is my expectation and what is my need? Swan parabla. Swan means Hansa, Parahansa. Analyze your weakness, your good thing, strength, need and expectation. You need house, car, clothes, food, need friend, mother, father. That need survive. What is expectation? If you are some person, you expect something person. Now you expect from me, I expect from you. This is. But what is your weakness? Physical, mental, emotional, psychological. Find out your weakness. But you cannot see your back, my dear friend. Weakness, back. The other person can say weakness. The weakness. The strength means you're good looking, good talking, good thinking, good realize. You're a wonderful person. Increase your potential within you. Think about your good qualities with it. Increase your good qualities. Good qualities. That qualities increase, the negativity drop out. When the sun comes, one funny thing I'm telling. The old person, he take a lamp and 12 o'clock, he was old and his wife is come there. He put a light in the sun. So he said, what are you doing? I said, I'm looking one person. I said, sun too much strong and you put a lamp in the light, you're putting light. I'm looking the person who is realized person. He making a joke. When the sun is there, you don't need the light, artificial light, you don't need. Sun remove the darkness. Put this light of joy, light of peace, light of love, light of happiness, light of contentment. All your weakness will disappear. When sun is there, darkness automatically go. So find out your weakness. You're an angry person, you become upset, become nervous, or become happy. When some person come to you after 12 years, after 12 your friend, you become so happy, right? So God, He never come. He always there. Shanti, the peace, nowhere. But your preoccupation and chinta, they live together. Increase your good qualities, strength, and that bliss you will experience is within you. Always I tell, every hour take 5-minute meditation. Sit calm and quiet 5 hours. Meditation, empty your mind, inspiration come, strength come, increase your voice of yourself, and you feel confidence, willpower, and joyful. I like to happy. I like to make a joke. This morning I went to the public because I don't have water. I went to buy the water. And the girl sent me the water. And I said, happy birthday, 14 or 15. She said, you're funny. I said, not funny. I am your great-great-grandfather from India. And she was laughing. And she said, I never laughed my life so much. You make me happy. I have not seen my grandfather, and you say you're my grandfather. Look, one word can make happy, but little fire burn whole house. Don't burn the house of other person. Burn the light of joy. Each word, spoken word, make the difference in your life. I live Swami Satyananda's life. I live personally. He was a very funny person. He was jolly. Swami Shivananda was a jolly person. The great master, I live many masters. I visit in India. They are very funny and jolly, joyfully. The knowledge go with spontaneous flow of knowledge, with the action, the word. Be a natural, spontaneous person. Live right now with us peacefully. Smile, smile, smile and be happy. But don't make them cry, no one, my dear friend. So remember, find out, read the word. Swan. Weakness, strength, need and expectation. Right. What is my weakness, my personality? What is my good quality? What I expect from the people? What is I need? Don't expect no one. Sun come, he give the sun. Don't expect anything. The rain come, he give the rain to clean everything. Hurricane to clean. Hurricane is not bad. Hurricane clean everything. So find out your good qualities within yourself. And God is good. That's why they call the God. God. One O disappeared, become God. G-O-O-D. And what has happened? Because be good. So the life precious. Discover your good quality within you. Enjoy the life. You know the beggar? Swami just like a beggar. I used to beg in India when I left the home. I was living bank of the river Ganga, taking bath and begging the food and living a life. Then I got my Guru Satyananda. Life is changed totally. I was a beggar. And Swami also beggar. Sannyasi, they don't possess it. But luckily they give ashram. I don't bring anything India with me. When I left the India, I'm telling funnily, the 1975, 23rd of July, 1975, I remember, I left the New Delhi and I went to the bank. The Reserve Bank of India, they give only $7. That time rule was there, India, to go abroad, they give $7. I left the India, $7. That was it. Bank has a rule. But when Guruji came, I gave him back the $7. But I got everything what I needed. God gave everything, Lord. But too much attachment, mind, and man become miserable. Man is creator of unhappiness. Man is a storehouse of unhappiness, sadness. He collected all the negativity. Be just like a child. People call me everything, I'm funny. Doesn't matter which country I travel, more than 60 countries I travel. Europe, Australia, New Zealand. I went to England, France, Germany, Spain, Central America, South America, Australia. Everywhere I have a friend. Everywhere a house to live. Because your good word, your good action respect you. To change your quality. Irrigate all negative thing. What negative happens, a person trouble you, let them come. If one don't like you. That's why, my dear friend, life is precious. Enjoy, be happy. I knew one Swami. And that Swami was a funny Swami. And his name was Brahma Vidyananda. You know that Swami? That is me. I live with me. I live me and myself. People ask me how many people live. I said we are two. I live myself and me. Be a friend of your good quality within you. Appreciate yourself. Appreciate that person what they do good for you. That's why God is hidden force. Change our quality of life. I'm not giving advising. It is up to you, follow or not. I'm not changing the quality of your life. You are the creator of your destiny. I'm giving suggestion. I'm not giving advising you anything. You know everything better than me. You read a lot of book. But be humble, be simple, be joyful. That's why Swami Shivananda used to give respect, take respect. Otherly. Be good and do good. And let whole world your family. Negative thing come. If someone take, I had a wonderful ashram in India. The ashram I make to help other people. Then someone take it. It's okay. I'm here. I have ashram also there. What belong to you, will come. What not belong to, they will go. But we attach this mine and mine and mine. even this body not belong to you. When the God, Yamraj come, Yamraj is the God of death. He come, he will take your body. The body remain and they will cremation. Family will come up to cremation house of the church. One body cremation they put deep in the river. So, burn your negative samskara. Be happy, happy, happy. My energy finished, my dear friend. Today, I have one person come here and she cook the food. You have time? Can you say hello to them? And she wonderful cook. She's a good cook. She come 5 o'clock and cooking food for me. You know her?
Hariom.
She replies, Jamuna Devi.
Hariom Sakoro. Hariom Abdullah. Hariom everybody.
Look, she come and cook the food. She's a good cook. She cook the food. I like to cook and eat. And this, I'm talking, this is my food to you. I'm cooking food for you and giving my food with the mouth. When you're listening, eat the food with ear. Mouth food eat. The spiritual food from here. So anyhow, I don't know what I talk. I forget everything, you know. Anna, ¿qué planeta usted? ¿De dónde usted?
Guatemala.
Ay, mi niña, Guatemala. Antigua Guatemala. Karuna Devi. Ram Rahim. Andrea. Hola Lakshmi. Hello Lakshmi Devi. Are you there?
Hariom, hariom.
Oh my God. You look just like a little baby, 7 years old little girl. Your mom called me, you call me, she said you do plastic surgery and change everything.
I did.
Yes, your mom said to me yesterday.
I look beautiful.
No, Linda Bonita.
Thank you so much.
Okay, Karuna Devi.
Hola, Swamiji.
¿Cómo está? Hariom, ¿cómo está? Bien. Hello.
Gracias, Carlos.
Gracias, gracias. Okay, Jennifer. Socorro. Ram Rahim. Andrea. I'm happy, all of you. Andrea, ¿cómo está? ¿Cómo está, Andrea? ¿No habla español? Sorry, I'm joking to you. How you doing? Good, you don't know why it's there, no? Anyhow, before finish, let me sing my favorite kirtan. My song. Prema mudita manas kaho Ram 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 kaho Ram Ram Ram. पाप कटे दुख मिटे लेके राम नाम भव समुद्र सुखद नाव एक राम नाम कहो राम 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 कहो राम 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 परम शांति सुख निदान एक राम नाम निराधार को आधार एक राम नाम कहो राम 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 कहो राम 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 परम गुप्त परम इष्ट मंत्र राम नाम संत हृदय सदा बसत एक राम नाम राम 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 कहो राम 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 परम शांति सुख निदान पर महादेव सतत जपत दिव्य राम नाम काशी मरत मुक्त करत कहत राम नाम माता पिता बंधु सखा सहे राम नाम भक्त जन्म जीवन एक राम नाम कहो राम 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 कहो राम 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 कहो राम 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 कहो राम 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 प्रेम मुदित मन से कहो राम 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 Vishram, Haram, Ram, divine. Vishram means descanso. Haram, I don't take that word. This is a little bit strange word. It's better to understand. Don't understand this one. Haram means when you steal something, what belong to the haram. Ram, Vishram, Aram, sleep, relaxation. Keep God with you every second. Whatever you believe, whatever religion practice or teach, doesn't matter you are Hindu, Muslim, Christian, Jews, all the rivers emerge in the ocean. Word is peace. Shanti belong to no religion. Peace belong to religion. Peace everyone. Don't disturb peace to no one. Be peace, be happy and be happy. Always sing the same mantra. Om Shanti, Om Shanti, Om Shanti, Om. I am the peace, I am the peace, I am the joy, I am the peace. Reap Shanti and be happy. But don't hate, don't criticize to no one. This is my humble request to everyone. Increase your potential and be happy, happy, happy. My peace no one can disturb. My Shanti is my good friend. Oh, so Kaurva's name is Shanti also. She is my great grandmother. ¿Entendió español que está hablando? Her name is Shanti. So,
Usted le dio el nombre de Shanti Devi. solito.
oh Shanti Devi, usted es muy especial.
Gracias.
Sometimes you have to put food without salt, no tasting. If you make a milk, there is no sugar, then taste it. So sometimes you have to put a sugar, sometimes you put a salt. But you are diabetic, no sugar. Blood pressure, no salt. That's the rule. But Shanti, you can put any food. When you take the food, you should repeat the mantra. Brahma arpanam brahmahavi brahmana brahmanotam brahmaiva tena gantavyam brahma karma samadhina. This is food for the food. We take the food, repeat the mantra of the food will digest. And Om Shanti Shanti, this is the mantra for peace and happiness. My love, my good wishes. Next week is Thanksgiving. I don't know tomorrow. I'm here. I'm going to India for a couple of hours. I'm going to India, my super jet. So maybe I'm not available next week. There's no satsang because Thanksgiving Day. And our good doctor is going to get married 28th, Dr. Eileen. So I will go 28th, marriage, blessing, church, and the party. Party means not what is the party say, only presence, my presence. I don't go party, but I am going to give the blessing. Dr. Eileen, sister of Jamuna Devi, she is going to get married. So anyhow, Om Sarvamangala Mangale Sive Sarvartha Sadhake Sarnetam Gauri Narayani Namaste. Om Asato Ma Sadagaya Gamaya Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amritam Gamaya Sarvesham Swastir Bhotu Shantir Bhotu Purnam Bhotu Mangalam Bhotu Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. Om Trayambakam Yame Sugandhi Pushyavardanam Urvarkavandana Pratyor Moksha. Tvameva Mata Sa Pita Tvameva Bandhu Cha Sukha Tvameva Vidyadam Tvameva Sarvam Mama Deva Deva. Om Naham Karta Harihi Karta Vikalam Naham Karta Gurudeva Karta Satyam Saranam Gacchami Yogam Saranam Gacchami Sangam Saranam Gacchami Buddham Saranam Gacchami.